Marley, there's not much on your farm.
That's it.
Here's your farmer. Can we have a look at your truck?
No.
Oh, okay, well here we go. You put the farmer in your truck. There we go. So what are we going to put? What are we going to put on your farm? How about, would you like some cows on your farm?
Yeah.
Here's some cows. So here's a cow. Where are you going to put the cows? We put the cows over here. You put the cows in. We put them over here.
No, in it.
Oh, they go. Oh, the cow's going in the truck. Oh no. Here's another cow. Where's that cow going?
I want some.
You show Daddy where you're going to put it. Here's a third cow.
Photo.
There we go. There's 3 cows. Let's see. I think we've got another cow here. Let's have 4 cows. Where are you going to put the 4? Oh, there's a cow on the roof. I heard about a cow that went over the moon. Here's the 4th cow. Oh, that cow's hurt. Oh no.
Better.
Oh, it's better now. That's good. What if we plant some lettuce on our farm? Marley, would you like to plant some lettuce on your farm? Would you like to plant some lettuce? We plant some lettuce?
Yeah.
Yeah, here's some lettuce. We'll put one. Oh, you're going to put it down. Put it down there.
Daddy, hard.
Daddy, it's hard, isn't it? Okay, well, let's put our lettuce down there.
I know.
We'll plant some more lettuce. Here's some more lettuce. We'll put some lettuce here. There we go. Would you like some more lettuce? Okay, here's some more lettuce.
Anna. Daddy, Anna. Anna sells.
What happened?
Anna.
Oh, it's under. So the cows have gone under for protection. Let's plant our lettuce all in a row. So here is another lettuce.
Yeah.
Look at those lettuces all in a row.
Yes.
Would you like to do some cauliflower next to the lettuce? Let's put some cauliflower.
Found one.
Oh, you found one of the...
That's
Here we go, with another cauliflower. Whoops. We dropped a cauliflower, didn't we? We've planted some broccoli. Look, plant some broccoli. Do you want to have a look at the broccoli?
Yeah.
Here we go, you have a look at the broccoli. Do you like to eat broccoli? And we'll plant the broccoli here next to the... Oh, you're eating the broccoli, are you? Oh. Where else can we put some broccoli? Here's another broccoli. Oh, you're putting it in. Good job. And here we had another broccoli.
Hard.
It's a bit hard. Do you want a bit of help, do you? Want a bit of help putting the broccoli back in? There we go. We've planted our broccoli. Oh no, what's happened? What's happening to our broccoli? Oh no. I think it's harvest time, Marley. You're harvesting all the broccoli. Well, would you like to put, well, how about we put the broccoli in a crate that you're harvesting?
No, Anna.
Put the broccoli in the crate.
No,
So watch this. So see how Daddy's putting the broccoli in the crate?
Butter.
You put the broccoli in. We're harvesting the broccoli. Put it in.
Too much.
Too much, is it? I think that's enough. Oh look, we've got too much in our crate. Put all the broccoli. Okay, let's put our harvest. Oh, you're eating some of the harvest.